Vivek, there is a question from a lot of students about, see, they are now going to graduate in the next 2 months, from BMM. There is a question currently ki, many would like to do post-graduation, but many also would like to do internship. And in this current lockdown situations, and also how things will open up, they are saying most of the companies where they must have approached through their colleges, I assume, they are not getting any paid internships. So the question is, should they still do, free internships for some time now? So they are in a dilemma what to do.
Yeah, I think Samir, very difficult question to answer, but my belief is that something is better than nothing. So if you take a lot of large companies today, right, they are reducing the salaries of the team members. A lot of people are getting laid off. We are going to face a challenge over the next 6 months, 1 year before things actually recover. So I think taking up and becoming better at what you do, one is invest your time in education. So if you have the financial wherewithals to invest into education and learn more instead of doing internship, I would recommend as the first option. But if you don't have that, then even if you get a free internship, it will be definitely better than sitting at home, because you will learn something from that process, and then keep looking for new jobs, keep looking for new internships. So you can keep that quest open. But I would also recommend having an internship where you're doing the internship from home, where your entire internship is based on video and doing tasks that they give you. So then you're not incurring a lot of cost of going to the location and sitting out there, etc. And then what happens is, because they're online tasks, they'll have relevance over a long-term period. So it'll be useful to you to learn how to work from home, and that will be a skill set that will be very, very valid and useful in the long run. But yeah, my recommendation is, please take it up. Something is better than nothing. Instead of sitting at home and binging on Netflix, please do an internship, even if it's not paid.
So true, so true. In fact, students, I would also like to say, let not finance be an obstacle in your career dreams and your further education. Currently, there are a lot of financial institutions, education loan companies who give you student loans as small as 5,000 to 7,000 rupees EMI per month, and you can continue to pay your loans when you are studying, and after you get a job also, you can continue to pay that.
Okay, so I think we've just started something on iProspect University, which teaches different aspects of digital. But I think it's a great idea, Arvind, that I think the biggest challenge we've always had in internships is that we didn't have the wherewithals of supporting them through infrastructure. So, in Bombay, each seat costs us 20,000 rupees a month. And when you take IT, it costs double of that. So it becomes very difficult for us to have a large internship. We only give internship to people whom we can hire eventually as team members. But I think if we can build a sort of a digital internship, I think there may be an opportunity. This is where I think Dr. Karkanis can also add. I think we have almost 4,000 odd digital people plus in India. And I think we can actually build a pretty good, interesting internship model, which will be part education and part, real jobs to be done. And if they can work from home, I think this could be interesting. So I think thanks for the session, Arvind. If you can talk to Dr. Karkanis and explore this forward. I think as a representative of Dentsu, I think I would love to explore this. I think there is an opportunity of doing this.
Yes. Yeah, definitely. The students are going to be immensely benefited.
Yeah, so Samir, I think you are muted.
Professor
Arvind, right?
Yes, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, Mr. Arvind, a very relevant question. Vivek, there was a similar question now since this has come up. There is a student, Shri Anusha, from the Wellinkar Institute of Management, Bangalore campus. And she said, is there a future for, virtual internships that may emerge in the days to come? That is something new for them. And so this is the question. Is the market moving for virtual internships?
No, I think the market is definitely moving towards virtual internship, because people are, so we are now hiring people, interviewing them, as well as onboarding them completely online, which has never happened for us as Dentsu, right? So I think if we can hire full-time employees who are going to work for us virtually from home, then why should we not have a similar views for internship? So I think seems like a potential option for sure. and it's great that Arvind sir brought this up. I think we should definitely explore it. In fact, Samir, I would love you to take up this initiative and
I will do that. I think we see a lot of synergies in modules and internships and going on.